Accusative or dative? Are you guys also confused when to use a dative object or when to use an accusative object? I am going to clarify this in today's session. Please note that German is full of exceptions. So yes, 99% of the time this explanation is right. For a 1%, you guys have to work out. Again, we have three cases in German. We have nominative, accusative, and dative. When I say Lisa schreibt, she writes. This form is called as a nominative Satz. Lisa schreibt. What is Lisa over here? Lisa is the subject or the subject, and schreiben is the verb, a nominative Satz, wherein we are talking about wer or was. A nominative sentence gives a reply to wer or was. Wer is who and was is what. Supposedly, I want to say Lisa ist glücklich. I am just talking about Lisa and she is happy. Who is happy? Where? Lisa. Nominative. And if I say Lisa ist glücklich, but yes, if I want to make a was Satz, I can say Computer ist neu or their computer ist neu. Was? What is neu? Computer is neu. This is again a nominative sentence, where or was. Moving forward to accusative sentence, we know that in accusative, there changes to them. That means in masculine, the change happens in there to them. And also an accusative sentence should be an object. Okay, let's take one example. Now, when I am saying over here, ich schreibe einen Brief or Lisa schreibt einen Brief. Sticking to our Lisa example, Lisa schreibt einen Brief. Subject, Lisa, nominative. What is she writing? Einen Brief. Over here, einen Brief is masculine. That is why their brief changes to den Brief. And yes, it is replying to the question of was. What did Lisa write? Lisa wrote a mail. This object could be in the form of dative also. When there are two objects, one has to be dative, one has to be accusative. Okay, Lisa schreibt mir einen Brief. Mir is wem, to whom did she wrote? She wrote it to me. So mir became dative. Einen Brief became accusative. It remains accusative. Guys, if you are learning this, please remember, if there are going to be two objects, the person is going to be dative and the thing which we are going to talk about is going to be accusative. One more example, Lisa schenkt Bruder einen Ring. So Lisa is the nominative Satz. Schenken is a dative verb. To whom did she give the gift? To her brother. So Bruder. And what did she give? An object, non-living things, einen Ring. Now these cases, dative or accusative cases, are dependent not only upon the verbs, they are also dependent upon the specific prepositions. Please go through the other videos which I have made for specific accusative verbs and prepositions too. Talking about accusative verbs are a lot as compared to dative. Probably for dative you guys just have to learn 40 to 50 words, but accusative, apart from those 40 to 50 words, are all accusative. Kaufen, brauchen, sehen or nehmen, all of these are accusative verbs. Very basic ones. So, ich kaufe einen Computer, I buy a computer, or Ich sehe einen Mann. Ich suche. I'm searching. Ich suche den Schlüssel. Whatever I am searching, whatever I am finding, whatever I am watching, whatever I am buying, all of these verbs are the accusative verbs, and these all verbs will require an accusative object, and this is going to be your crux for it. This is applicable to dative also. Dative specific verbs are there. I'll just post the PDF for those verbs, but the basic verbs schenken, helfen, danken, antworten, gratulieren, geht es, all of these are dative verbs. How do we use them? Now, if these are specific verbs for dative, they are also specific prepositions for dative. If I say that mir gefällt das Haus, mir gefällt das Haus. Mir is dative because gefallen is a dative verb, and das Haus, although it is accusative, it remains the same only over here. Mir gefällt das Haus. I can also say das Handy gehört. Gehören belongs zu meinen Großeltern. The phone belongs to my grandparents. Again, a dative case. Learn the verbs, guys, and the preposition too. In the preposition case, I can say ich fahre mit dem Auto. I travel with the car. It is not das Auto, it is dem, because das is changes to dem with the help of the preposition mit. Now there are some verbs which takes both accusative and dative case also. Geben is one of them, zeigen is one of them, and there is a table for that too. This will be taken care in the next sessions. Danke.